In today's video, I am going to teach you how to activate Hootsuite Auto Scheduler. This feature is designed to help you schedule your posts more efficiently so your content can go out at the right time even when you are not manually setting every detail. First, sign in to Hootsuite. Open your Hootsuite account in your browser or app and enter your login details if you are prompted. Once you are signed in, make sure you are in the main dashboard area where you can clearly see your social tools and posting options. This step matters because you need to be inside your workspace before Hootsuite will let you create and schedule a post. Next, select the plus Create a Post button. Look for a button or link that says Create a Post or one that has a plus symbol beside it. Clicking this opens the Posting Composer, where you can choose where you want to publish and what you want to share. Take a moment here to confirm you are viewing the post creation screen, not just a settings page. Now select the social account or accounts you want to post to. In the Composer, you should see options for connected social profiles. Choose the account or accounts that match where you want your message to appear. If you plan to publish the same content to multiple networks, select each one that should receive the post. Choosing the correct accounts is important because it determines where your final scheduled post will go. After that, create your content and upload any media. In the text area, write your post message. Then add images, videos, or other media if your plan includes them. If you need to review the post preview, look for any preview panel that shows how your content will appear. This part is where you get everything ready before scheduling, so the content is accurate and complete. Once your post looks right, select Schedule for later. This usually switches the Composer from publishing immediately to planning the time for your post. After you click Schedule, you will likely see scheduling options appear, such as a date and time picker or suggested posting times. This step is the gateway that connects your draft to the Auto Schedule feature. Now you will turn on Auto Schedule or select a recommended time if that option is shown. In the scheduling area, look for a toggle or checkbox labeled Auto Schedule. When you activate Auto Schedule, Hootsuite will use its scheduling recommendations to help set an appropriate time for your post. In some cases, Hootsuite may display a recommended time instead of an Auto Schedule toggle. If you see that option, selecting the recommended time will still set the schedule for you based on Hootsuite's suggestions. Finally, select Schedule. This confirms everything you have set, including the social account selections, your content, and the time settings. After you click Schedule, you should see the post move into your scheduled content area, where it will be queued to publish at the planned time. If Hootsuite displays a confirmation message or takes you to a calendar view, that is a good sign that your scheduled post is set correctly. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to activate Hootsuite Auto Scheduler and schedule a post for the future.